I have something very interesting to share with you today. This is about marketing and branding. Okay, I know a little bit out of topic, but I want to share with you all today about being in a market where when you start a business and you continue in the market and then you do so well in the market, you're helping more people, you're just going all the way. One thing is going to happen. If your brand is doing very well in the market, what's going to happen? People will start copying you. But it's fine for people to copy. Copy, you want to copy, no problem. But of course, build relationship with your competitors. I know all my competitors, they're doing very, very well, except for this one competitor that is making it very obvious. And I want to talk about this competitor. Okay. He is actually using my name to advertise for his service. Yenalade is okay, you can use, no problem. But don't make it obvious. Okay, let me show you. This is one competitor which I find it very amazing. Okay, come, let me just show you. Let me show you. Okay. Okay. You see, what I did was I came to Google and I typed Sifu Kairesh. Okay, fine. Just leave it as Sifu Kairesh. I wanted to come here to just verify, just check some things in my, this is my office address, this is my phone number. I just wanted to get some information here. Until I accidentally saw this part. You see, these are all advertisements. If you see sponsored post here, that means somebody has actually used uh, uh, my keyword, which is Sifu Kairesh, as a keyword to advertise for their products and services. That's fine, no problem. You can use, but don't make it obvious that hey, this is Udemy. Okay, Udemy is actually using my keyword to advertise because I have a program with Udemy, so that's fine, no problem. Okay, so as a fundamental things of advertising, whether it's in Facebook or in Google, you can use your competitors' keywords. That's fine. It's good actually because that competitor is actually dominating the market. So you want to use their keyword to advertise for yourself. It's fine, fine. I don't use my competitors' keyword. I just I go the authentic way. I generally want people to speak Mandarin. I advertise the correct way, and I deliver massive value. I don't use competitors' name to hop into my brand. No, I don't hop into other people's brand. That's not, I mean, fine, you can do, but it's not long term. Okay. So this particular competitor never messaged me, never keep in touch. But I know this competitor exists, but we have never got in touch before. And some of the students actually study with me. They went there, couldn't speak, they came to me. But anyway, it's fine. Some people come to me, go back there, it's no problem. But if you want to run business, you run advertisement, that's fine. So this particular competitor, okay, ta-da, he this is his company, Fase Mandarin, okay? And then he's using my name, he puts my name there as a headline. Dey, macha, what is this? You should be using my name as a keyword for advertising, not as headline la day. You go and ask your advertiser, or don't know whether you are doing or your advertiser is doing, letak keyword ni brand saya sebagai keyword, not as headline. So I'm seeing, hey, Sifu Kairesh, my name here, but then Fase Mandarin. Then down here is all information. I say, what's going on lah? People using my name. On one hand, you feel no. On one hand, you feel wow. People using your name. People imagine people using your name to advertise for their brands. You feel great, I see. I don't know why. I just feel so great. People actually using your brand to advertise for themselves. Oh, Sifu Kairesh. People using my brand. Wow, this is so nice. I feel so flattered. Wow. Okay. Anyway, Fase Mandarin, dear Fase Mandarin owner, please talk to your advisor. It's fine. I feel great lah. I just feel great that you're actually using my name. But I know I will not use your name to advertise. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So speak to advertiser. Use my brand name as a keyword. Maybe people are searching for me in Google. I don't know. I don't use Google to get to run advertisements. Okay, you have your own strategy. Use my keyword use my brand name as keyword. You want to use any of your competitors' brand? Can use under keyword. Don't go and put headline la day. Yenna la day. Okay, so that's it. Okay, all the best, Fase Mandarin. All the best in your business. Keep it up. We may not be able to see or keep in touch, but it's okay. This is a good joke for you. Okay, get it fixed. All the best.